You want answers? I think I'm entitled. You want answers? I want the truth! You can't handle the truth! I told you, man! I told you! Don't fuck with me!
As long as a false flag for a hostile alien invasion created by the powers that be seems more evident every day, the mainstream media heavily increases the propaganda to indoctrinate the masses and get people accustomed to the presence of extraterrestrials, especially the reptilian types who became more and more common through Hollywood movies, TV shows and blatant commercials developed to promote the idea of their genetic, psychological and technological superiority, as well as the idea of domination by brute force. That is the Illuminati agenda, to condition humans into being submissive to the reptilian overlords. But if by one hand, most people still believe that this massive propaganda is nothing but a harmless entertainment, by the other hand, a paper released by the prominent scientist PhD Ronald Breslow, and published in the Journal of the American Chemical Society, admits the existence of ancient extraterrestrial civilizations of reptilian nature, far more intelligent and advanced than us. Breslow claims that this analysis came from his studies on specific patterns of terrestrial amino acids, sugars and nucleic acids, but he does not explain why his final conclusion is that humans would be better off not meeting these reptilian beings. Probably all those ancient civilizations of Mesopotamia, Egypt, Indus Valley and Asia had better explanations and clearer answers than modern scientists can provide, because apparently those ancient people were very familiar with these reptilian beings, and in most cases they were largely worshipped as gods for thousands of years, and depicted in several monuments and religious scriptures. And regardless the claims of mainstream scholars, that such depictions are nothing but fantasy and mythology, everything suggests that those civilizations depicted what they actually saw, and that these reptilian beings lived on this planet, in some point of human history. And according to former military whistleblowers such as Milton Cooper and Phil Schneider, and conspiracy theorists such as David Icke, some of the most powerful families of the Illuminati apparatus are direct bloodlines of this reptilian species, that of some way have managed to remain disguised with human appearance along the centuries.
But the story of how she came to the throne is just as remarkable.
Until now, Kate's been seen.
But whatever is the technology that provides their camouflage, it seems that it's not flawless, and eventually their reptilian nature seems to be exposed in some parts of their bodies. Though, despite all evidences, still nobody has produced irrefutable proof of their presence, and if someone actually did it, certainly did not survive to bring it to public.
A group of people who have made every effort to support and
for a 6-week tour. He will be doing pretty much that which he's doing in Anglesey, the job of search and rescue, and sources close to the Prince tell